So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that you're not using a VPN. And now for the second step, you want to head over to your web browser, then you want to click on the three dots in the top left, and then click on history, and then click on history again. And then once you're on this, you want to select delete browsing data. And then once we're here, you want to set the time range to all time, and then you want to select cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. Select both of these, and then click on delete data. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the Crunchyroll website, and then once you're on this in the top where it says crunchyroll.com, you just want to click right next to it right here. Now you want to select cookies and site data, and then click on manage on-device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. Delete both of these, and then click on done. Now you want to click on this again. Now you want to select site settings. And then once we're here, you want to click on delete data, and then click on delete, and then you want to click on reset permissions, and then click on reset. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS, click on enter, and then you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. And now you want to type in netsh space int space ip space reset and click on enter again. And then once you do everything in the video, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to search for Crunchyroll. Then you just want to download it. From now on, you could just use the application instead of the website, and then this should now fix your problem.